Hi, I'm Bill Moore, and I'm on a mission to add alpha to your trading through the power of relative value analysis. If you're looking for more candlestick patterns, then this is not for you. But if you're ready to take it to the next level and trade like a professional, stick around. Today I made a new basket. It is of mining companies, but mining of non-metallic minerals. It's not a large basket. I think there were only 13 symbols in there. So let me tell you what I did. I ran it with no filters whatsoever because it's not a large basket. There's 160 some odd pairs in here. I think it's actually 156. And then I went ahead and set a few things to tighten it up. 0.8 correlation, 0.8 RW coefficient. I set it for 1.25 standard deviations. And I think that was all I did. Let's go ahead and filter those results. Yeah, and when I did that, it didn't give me a whole lot of them. But I did get 3, and let's take a look at this one. It's actually the most interesting of them. And the reason I find this interesting is because going back, say, 1 year previously and before, that did not look like a good pair. But for the past 1 year, from here over, that picture is absolutely perfect. And of course, the recent behavior is certainly the most important. Because of how it behaved, prior to a year, the quick and dirty back test doesn't show great results. It shows only 2 times returning profitably to the mean, and it shows one that's open. Okay, one loser, 2 winners, and the current one being open, which is of course the one we would like to try to make some money with. But if I just had cut the picture off right here and looked at it, that would look absolutely beautiful. So let's go ahead and take a look at that in the observe page. And the observe page doesn't put as many bars on, and we see what is absolutely a spectacular picture. And the last day is when it jumped outside the second standard deviation a little bit more strongly. And you can see it kind of hit the area where we would call it some support, in previous times. So I think I like this picture. I think I like it. I will watch it to see if it continues down and wait until it begins to turn around. But let's take a look at the hitting probabilities. Okay, so that's a nice strong mean reversion tendency. The latest value is minus 5.8, let's say, and we've got it set for 10,000. Let's run the simulation. Okay, so this is interesting. This is interesting. It's saying it's going to be a long, and it's saying in 30 days that we've only got a 64% chance of being a winner. Now 64% is still 2 out of 3, but of course I usually like better numbers than that. On the other hand, it's saying that we'll be there half the time in 36 days. The mode, however, being 10. Okay, so 10, that's really interesting, right? So basically it's saying that if it's going to get there strongly, it's going to get there really quickly. And if it doesn't, we just take a look at it and maybe decide to roll this one out and put on a different trade. So, but overall, I like that picture a lot. I'm going to go ahead and make this a recommendation. So let's go ahead and take a look once more at the detail analysis. So today's recommendation is going to be SQM and TECK. It has a decent correlation, 0.82, a very good RW coefficient, 0.7897. The ratio we're trading is 1.88. The backtest isn't a monster by any stretch of the imagination. It's only had 2 winners on this, and it's got 1 loser and 1 still open, which is the one we would like to trade. But within the past year, this actually looks very good. So today's recommendation, SQM minus 1.88 of TEC. It is a long, so for every share of SQM that you buy, you're going to sell 1.88 shares of TECK. Good luck with your trading today.